Today, you're going to learn how to file taxes on a $20,000 income using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through the exact prompts you can use to check if you must file, what tax forms you need, and whether you may qualify for a refund. This guide is perfect for beginners, part-time workers, freelancers, gig workers, and anyone earning a moderate income who wants clarity before filing. Before you begin, gather your income documents such as pay stubs, W-2s, 1099s, bank statements, or any records that show how you earned the $20,000. You should also know how much tax was withheld during the year. If you're unsure which income is taxable, the first prompt will confirm it. Start here. Tell me if I need to file taxes in the US with a $20,000 income. Explain the rules in simple terms. This gives you a clear answer based on your filing status, age, and dependency situation. Next, get personalized guidance with this prompt. Ask me questions about how I earned the $20,000. Then tell me which forms I need and whether I might get a refund or owe tax. With your answers, you'll receive a step-by-step filing plan tailored to your income type, employment, freelancing, or mixed income. To estimate your tax or refund, use this. Estimate my tax or refund based on $20,000 income and explain the calculation clearly. This shows you how withholding, deductions, and credits affect your final result. If you want to understand credits you may qualify for, use. Explain which tax credits someone earning $20,000 may qualify for, with simple examples. Before filing, check for common mistakes using list the common mistakes people make when filing taxes with moderate income so I can avoid them. Finally, create consistent organization with this prompt. Create a simple monthly routine to track income, receipts, and tax documents for next year. And that's it. Filing taxes on a $20,000 income becomes simple when you follow a clear structure and stay organized. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end to make the process smoother. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.